Welcome back, it's Strattonata Gang. As you can see, we are at Copart right now. Give you guys a little update. We did just sell the Taurus. Shout out to the homie that hooked me up with the deal. Shout out to you. You know who you are. We're here right now. I was gonna show you guys around the Fusion, but it's not out here. I'm thinking they probably took it in. I'm dropping off paperwork for them. As you guys seen in the last clip, David was showing you guys a little bit of the footage, but I'm gonna see what else I can give you guys about it, because this is gonna be the first time I've actually seen it in person. Now I'm currently in the queue. Yeah, this is gonna be the process of selling the Fusion. We literally didn't do nothing to it. We just brought it straight here. So see how much money we can get for this, because the original plan was to put a new motor in it, and then once it's up and running, we would sell it ourselves, but that was just going to take too much time and money that we don't want to invest at the moment. So I think this is the best route. Well, we won't make as much as if we would have done it the other way, but we'll still make some money on it for sure. Like, I could have sold it yesterday. Some salvage yard could have bought it off me, and we would have doubled our money on it, but I think we can get more money if we do it ourselves. So stay tuned, don't skip no ads, drop a like, comment, let me know what you guys think about the vid so far, and if you haven't yet, go check out all the shorts, the YouTube shorts. Yeah, yes sir.
What are you gonna check out?
Just gotta make sure. I actually haven't gotten, this is the first time I've seen it.
Huh? I think he wants to done with that, but David hasn't done anything yet. So, I mean, this we're fine on. We're not gonna be late or nothing, but we'll do it like maybe tomorrow morning. It depends how fast David can move.
You see how nasty it is in here.
Oh, I gotta admit, it looks pretty good. We'll just give it a quick vacuuming.
Oh yeah? You guys still do that?
Yeah, of course. Like this right here, I see some dirt. I might as well.
Yeah. Okay.
The only thing we don't do is wax and shit. We do wash it with dirty too.
Yeah, the thing with this one, the motor's fucked on it.
Is it?
Yep. Yep, needs a new motor.
It's good to know. Hey, bro, I'll call you back, okay? All right, bye.
New battery.
I got a friend. He wants to go see Bad Bunny.
Really? My brother's literally about to go over there right now.
For the third time, though.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah.
This is the first time he's gonna go see him.
The girls there are crazy.
Oh, man. I fucking believe that.
And you even gave it a full-size spare?
Man, they get everything. Gotta make the most amount on this one. You guys see it? Damn, I wish we could have kept these.
Those rims?
Yeah, because it has decent tires on it.
I mean, you'd be surprised how many people don't give a shit about the wheels.
That's amazing.
So some people even trade the wheels to get some gas money, and they'll just get some Steelies and go shit.
Wow. I mean, damn, the lot's looking kind of empty, huh?
All of this right here is supposed to be a new section. Like, your car might go here.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah, as a clean car or something.
Yeah, because that one's a clean title. It's just, yeah. I didn't want to fucking buy a whole motor for it. That's so much
like
work.
A clean car is like a car that has almost no damages on the outside and
Yeah.
stuff. If we can make it run fair, we're good.
Yeah. Yeah. This one looks badass, I ain't gonna lie to you. Battery probably dead on it. I'm here walking around with this shit. I look like a goddamn nerd. Show you guys some light shit.
Identify a Harley that looks like that because they're just the shits.
Yeah?
We're having a problem with the newer Harleys too because we can't jump.
Oh, that's fucked. You guys put rims on this, or is this something that's selling?
That's how they sell them.
Really? That's kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie.
There you go, bro.
Ooh, you got
I got an
series.
RX-7. I got a brake. Look at the insides.
Oh, this is hard. I've never even been in one of these.
It's a real drift car, bro.
Oh, yeah?
They welded the handle in here.
Damn. The paint is actually nice on it.
My ass don't fit, bro. So if you have a small ass,
Let's
you probably
see.
fit. You gotta go foot first, and the wheel comes off if you need it.
My narrow ass will fit in here. Oh,
Really? Oh, it fits, bro. Just buy it now.
For reals, huh?
If we sell it for 7 G's, would you buy it?
7?
Yeah, because the fucking conversion was around 7.
What motor does it have? Does it have the original one?
It has the original.
The rotary?
Yeah, the flying Dorito.
I don't know.
Dude, $7,000 is cheap. If I said $7,000 right now, the
Yeah.
guys across the street, they'll buy it.
Really?
Like, we'll give you 10 if you don't buy it. Like, sell right now. I was like, God damn, boys. And then they repainted it to royal green.
This is hard, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
And the only thing I dislike is that they got rid of the pop-ups.
Oh, they did, huh?
Yeah. I like the little cut they did on the hood. It looks tasteful.
It does. Let out all the heat.
Yeah, but there's nothing special. It's just the crossbar and a couple little things here.
Yeah, so it's not, the motor's not modded or nothing?
Not modded. Maybe it's tuned, but not modded. They put the gas stick in the back and everything like it's supposed to.
I'll show you guys a C8 right now.
This guy just came back, fixed the title and everything. This guy is gonna be selling.
This one's been here for a while, huh?
Yeah, he had to take it because look, the police had to put a damn thing on it because you know how you're not supposed to have I's and O's in your VIN. This guy did because this guy had a custom bike. And he bought it privately from Guy, and he got it transferred over, but now he wants to sell it here, and you couldn't do shit.
What the fuck is that? Is that just one wheel?
That's a Camaro wheel. That's why I tell people not to buy Camaros. That's like 2013 and up.
What the fuck?
That's why I keep fucking telling people, don't buy a fucking Camaro. Look at that shit.
And what, you guys put it on the website like that?
We took pictures as is. I just left this in here because there's no room to stick it in the Camaro. The doorway got small.
What the fuck?
And then this right here, this is a one piece. This is custom. Someone did snake skin.
Oh, it is,
Actually,
huh?
not snake skin. It's an alligator.
The gator.
And then the Hayabusa is just a fucking Hayabusa with an extended arm, but I got no key. I'm waiting to see what the hell they want to do.
This one was here last time when I came.
Yeah,
I remember.
The thing is that this, no one cares about this. They'll fix it. This is what matters. And it looks like it'll run, but I got no key, bro. And I don't want to cross no wires because, well, it's not damaged.
Yeah.
Like, see what I mean?
So they dropped it off like that without the key and they expect to sell it?
No, it's the insurance.
Oh, the insurance.
And the insurance is like, oh, you paid a premium, you did this, you have this, and it's insured. Well, fucking well, because they would pay for the bike, but not for that. Sometimes guys would even come and take that shit and put the original.
Yeah. Because
and they'll do whatever with the change.
Since it's not factory.
Yeah.
That makes
I don't know what the
sense.
conversion is, but the cheapest is probably like $600 if someone doesn't
Damn, what happened to the C8? Actually, I know who owned this one.
A girl?
Yeah. She's got a massage place, right?
Yeah, I think she hated it. She says it looks squished. This hit is way the fuck in here. I put this back together myself. It looks like shit, dude. Look, it's fucking shit.
Damn.
To think you spend 60 G's.
I like this color though. I actually do.
It's a 90s color. I like it too.
Yeah, it's clean.
But here's the thing: for 60 G's, you get 498 horsepower to the wheel, and it's real.
But actually, it's more like 100 G's because of all that.
The paperwork says that these are being sold for 60. We're like, nah, bullshit. They probably bought one here for 80 on the down low.
You only get it for 60 if you had an early allocation or you know somebody that knows somebody.
Yeah, but look, so this car, it got rear-ended and it fucked up the chassis. And this is not even the high one. This is the lowest of the low.
Yeah, base model.
Yeah, so this may be 75 in a year or two more. Yeah, it's right there. This size sucks. But look, it's all like fucking wood screws, but they have a little special tip on them. You see them?
Yeah.
But it's not.
Damn, this is like as base as you can. What is it? One?
No, but this is real, bro. This is 500 something horsepower.
Oh, I fuck with these.
And it runs the way it's supposed to.
You got? Is a key in it? Is a key in it?
Yeah, but they don't want us to turn on no more because we've been moving it a lot. The engine's back here. That side works better. And then that mirror is not a mirror.
Oh yeah, it's a camera, right?
Yeah, the camera's right here.
Yeah, first time in the C8.
You think you can buy it, bro? Because as it says, the chassis is not a big deal. Just go buy the entire tub.
Oh my god. This is real supercar looking, huh?
Yeah, I don't like it though, bro. But I mean, Corvette's always been like that. Remember their older Corvettes? They've always been trying to get out of the muscle.
Yeah.
I like it, at the same time I don't like it, especially for the price that it is.
And you know, that girl actually got a convertible, the convertible one of this.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, fuck it.
I think she got it like in a black color or some shit.
I mean, I figure if you didn't like it, why would you get another one?
Yeah, she liked it. She liked the attention.
Hey, but here's the thing: for the price of that and this, I would choose the RX. And you can still do more shit to it. This thing doesn't even have windows in it. But
This one's clean though.
I like it too though.
That's nice to fuck around in for sure.
I don't know, it's already been fixed up and clean.
Yeah. Damn, did y'all see all that heat in there? Shit, I'm sweating like a motherfucker, bro. So yeah, okay. So the process to get this, I need to get David to fill out a power of attorney thing because they need that because the account apparently is under his name. That's all good. I'll bring that tomorrow. But left the key. They're gonna create the lot number and it should be up next week. So we'll see what it goes for. We'll probably put a reserve of like 5,000. We know we're not gonna get that, but if we do, shit, more power. But you know, I think we would be good at like 35 for that. Someone will buy it for 35. You saw it's pretty clean. Like I said, it just needs a motor. If you know how to do that, I'll drop the lot number here if it still hasn't sold. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. That's it, that's all. Later, y'all.
Silence.